Welcome to a new episode of Discover Daily, the AI-generated podcast curated by Perplexity to satisfy your curiosity about the latest in tech, science, and culture. I'm your host, Alex, and in today's episode, we're exploring fascinating developments in technology and innovation. From Apple's new partnership with OpenAI to Google's environmental challenges, Tesla's latest delivery numbers, and the progress of the ITER fusion reactor, we've got a packed show for you. Let's jump right in. Apple is making waves in the AI world with its recent agreement to integrate ChatGPT into its operating systems. Apple executive Phil Schiller is set to join OpenAI's board as a non-voting observer, putting Apple on equal footing with Microsoft in OpenAI's governance structure. Schiller, Apple's App Store chief and former marketing executive, will be able to attend and contribute to board meetings without voting rights or director powers. This arrangement mirrors Microsoft's similar observer status, highlighting the growing importance of AI collaborations in the tech world. The integration of ChatGPT into Apple's ecosystem will bring advanced AI capabilities to iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. Imagine Siri handling complex user inquiries by delegating them to ChatGPT, with your explicit consent, of course. It's an exciting development that could transform how we interact with our Apple devices. Now let's talk about the environmental impact of AI. Google, a company at the forefront of AI development, is facing challenges in balancing its technological ambitions with its sustainability goals. The tech giant's carbon footprint has experienced a notable jump, primarily driven by its increasing focus on artificial intelligence. Did you know that Google's greenhouse gas emissions have escalated by 48% since 2019? In 2023 alone, the company generated 14.3 metric tons of carbon dioxide, marking a 13% increase from the previous year. The culprit? Energy-intensive data centers dedicated to AI training, which contributed nearly 1 million metric tons of emissions to Google's carbon footprint in 2023. This surge in emissions is largely attributed to what Google calls its Gemini phase, where it's revamping its search function and integrating AI across various products. It's a stark reminder of the environmental costs associated with our growing appetite for advanced AI technologies. But it's not all doom and gloom. Google is actively working to mitigate its impact by enhancing the energy efficiency of its AI models, hardware, and data centers. The company aims to transition to using carbon-neutral energy continuously across all power grids it connects to by 2030. It's a challenging goal, but one that's crucial for addressing the growing ecological footprint of the AI sector. Switching gears, let's talk about electric vehicles. Tesla has recently released its Q2 2024 delivery numbers, and they're quite interesting. While deliveries fell 4.8% compared to the same period last year, they actually exceeded analysts' expectations. Tesla delivered 443,956 cars in the second quarter of 2024, surpassing Wall Street's average forecast of 438,019 vehicles. This represents a 14.8% increase from the previous quarter, demonstrating Tesla's resilience in the face of increasing competition and fluctuating demand. The majority of these deliveries consisted of Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, totaling 422,405 units. The remaining 21,551 deliveries were attributed to other models, including the Model S, Model X, and the Cybertruck. While specific Cybertruck numbers weren't disclosed, estimates suggest Tesla delivers approximately 1,754 Cybertrucks per month. Looking ahead, Tesla has two key events on the horizon that could shape its trajectory. The company's Q2 financial results will be released on July 23, 2024, after market close, providing deeper insights into its performance. Additionally, a highly anticipated robotaxi event is scheduled for August 8th, where Tesla is expected to unveil its fully autonomous taxi design. This event could position Tesla to compete with other autonomous vehicle players like Alphabet's Waymo. For our final segment, let's turn our attention to the ITER fusion reactor. This ambitious international collaboration aims to demonstrate the feasibility of fusion as a future energy source. At the heart of this project is an incredibly complex magnet system designed to confine and control superhot plasma. The ITER magnet system consists of massive superconducting coils that will create magnetic fields essential for fusion reactions. The central solenoid, often called the heart of ITER, is a massive cylindrical magnet standing 13 meters tall at the core of the tokamak. It will generate a powerful magnetic field of 13 Tesla, making it the strongest of all ITER magnet systems. Surrounding the plasma chamber are 18 toroidal field coils, each D-shaped and weighing 360 tons, which will produce a magnetic cage to confine the plasma. 6 poloidal field coils ranging from 8 to 24 meters in diameter will be positioned horizontally around the vessel to shape the plasma and contribute to its stability. These superconducting magnets, made from materials like niobium tin and niobium titanium, will operate at extremely low temperatures to achieve the necessary magnetic field strengths for fusion. With a combined stored magnetic energy of 51 gigajoules, these magnets will generate fields powerful enough to contain plasma at temperatures exceeding 150 million degrees Celsius. While significant progress has been made in manufacturing and assembly, the project faces ongoing challenges and delays. The current timeline aims for first plasma in 2025 and full fusion experiments in 2035. Despite these hurdles, ITER continues to push forward, demonstrating the complex nature of pioneering fusion technology on such an unprecedented scale. Thank you for tuning in to Discover Daily. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform. For those of you who want to dig deeper into these stories, you can find links to each one in the episode description. And here's a pro tip. Download the Perplexity app on Android or iOS to learn anything and everything you want to know. We'll be back tomorrow with more stories to satisfy your curiosity. Until then, stay curious.